So guys, welcome to my channel. So first method, go to www.gigabyte.com. This is the official website, so you can download the driver Gigabyte any devices. So you can see right hand side, just search bar, you just enter your model number of your motherboard, X870E AORUS XTREME AI top, and then hit enter. After that, you can see here the click on product. This is different AMD support and RAM also. So configuration sort there. Click on here on title on motherboard. After that, click on support. Then guys, select your operating system, which is using Windows 10 and 11. If you have a different like Windows 10, so you can follow this method to install this driver. Okay, LAN driver, and click to download. Then just click to open and double click to exe. Then yes. Then it is done and closed.